A warm welcome to all the listeners. Listen to the Blue Horse. Dr.C.K.N. is in conversation with Pooja. I'm sure you'll enjoy this session, and I'm sure it's going to be some food for your thought.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another podcast with the Blue Horse. Hi doctor.
Hi.
How are you?
I am very good.
Okay, I'm so happy to get connected with you again. So today I have an interesting topic. Is the human brain connected with the universe? Is there anything that we have to still know about it?
Everything is connected with the universe, man.
Okay.
Why human brain?
Today we are particularly going to talk about the connection between the brain and the universe. Later we'll talk about the rest of the things that is connected with the universe.
No, human brain is what? Every individual cell of 100 trillion cells in your body, 100 trillion cells which is connected, constructed in your body, is connected with the universe, which is not connected with your universe. Everything is connected with your universe.
Why don't common man doesn't feel that?
No, nature doesn't allow you to see many things. What do you want to understand? What do you want to know?
If we are connected with the universe,
You are a part of universe and you are connected with the universe. Otherwise, you can't survive.
is there a simple way to feel that? To
Is there?
understand a simple way to feel that or understand that?
Your mere consciousness itself is the connection between you and the universe. Your spinal cord is the antenna. It is receiving cosmic waves. Okay. Your every cell function is based on cosmic wave. The cellular function, every individual cell receive command from the environment to work. Cell function. Function of the human cell is based on the signals received from the environment. That's what is our astrological science. You are functioned by the nature. You are not functioning on your own. Your question is, do we know about it? Can we realize it? Can we understand? Right?
Yes.
You can't. Nature won't allow you to do that. You think you know everything. You think you are on your own. You think you are functioning on your own. No. See, brain is a phenomenal machine. Okay. The human brain is about 1.4 kg, 1400 grams only. Okay. And surrounded with cerebrospinal fluid. Kept inside the skull. Connected to your sensory organs. Connected to the spinal cord. Through the spinal cord, through the periphery system. Connected to the entire parts of the body through the periphery nervous system. To the autonomous nervous system, it is connected to all the internal vital organs, right?
Yeah.
But this fellow is tricky. He is too tricky, okay? If you understand, when you sleep, you're sleeping 8 hours a day or 6 hours a day, whatever it is. Every day you sleep.
Yeah.
What is sleeping in you? Have you ever asked this question?
Like,
What is sleeping? The human cells are functioning, the blood is running, the heart is working, the lung is working, we are breathing. In order to, all the internal organs to work. Say 9 o'clock you had your food, you felt very sleepy, 9:30 you went out to sleep. It takes 3-4 hours, 5 hours for the entire digestion process to clear that food, right? And all your gastroenteritis is working, right? Then what is sleeping?
mind sleeps.
Huh?
Mind calms down. Do we go to the sleep?
Where is mind? Mind is a philosophical term. Brain is a scientific term.
Yeah, when we are active.
Which is sleeping? It's very difficult to answer.
Yeah.
What part of your system is sleeping? You may say that you are not conscious. Consciousness is running, not that it doesn't run.
If
It
you are-
runs.
Like, it is same, isn't it? If you are conscious, the mind is active.
The mind is still active only.
Okay, even if we sleep, the mind is active only.
Otherwise, all your internal organs won't function, no?
Yes.
There is something called sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay? The parasympathetic nervous system come into play while sleeping. But there are many systems in your body is working. They are not sleeping.
Yeah, all the organs and some of the parts are working.
The blood cannot stop. You will die.
Yeah, everything
You need
is
fuel.
working.
The pancreas has to work.
Yes.
Glucagon has to be produced. Long hours of not eating food.
I feel our consciousness goes to some other place. I feel like that.
Where it will go? It can't go anywhere. It revolves around you. So sleeping is something which is very difficult to explain. What exactly is sleeping? Okay. When you there are a lot of funny things happen. The dreams, all that kind of thing. Okay. Now you think of you try to find out answer for yourself. What is sleeping in you? Okay. Let's go to the next one.
So you're not going to answer that?
Huh?
You're not going to answer that?
No, you find for yourself.
Oh my
There is
God.
something is sleeping in you.
I
What is that
couldn't.
sleeping in you? What is that sleeping in you? You find for yourself.
Please, I really
Okay,
don't
wait a
know.
minute. Then this human brain, you think this human brain, whatever that you have, that I have one brain with me, right?
Yes.
From that only I'm talking. You have a brain with me. You talk from that. Whatever that brain is functioning, that brain is working. Whatever you call it. You think that brain is yours?
Of course.
No, it's not yours.
Okay.
It belongs to the mankind.
But this physical anatomy of myself belongs
The
to
brain
me.
by itself is not your
Okay,
brain
you
or
mean
my
that
brain.
it has
It is mankind's brain.
it has a record of all the.
No, say suppose suppose you are 40 years old. You think your brain is 40 years old?
Okay.
We'll come to that.
Yes.
No. Suppose this human species is few million years old on this earth.
Okay.
Your brain is as good as so many million of years old.
Okay, with the knowledge that we have aspired with all those evolved beings. Okay, I understand.
The brain is as old as the human species on earth.
Okay.
Will be able to function many things. And the brain is constantly working. And it is processing millions and millions of data in a split second, which is not possible for you to, go anywhere near it. You cannot produce another machine like a brain. All those things are not possible. And the brain is connected to the nature because your thinking process itself is constantly manipulated based on the planetary positions of your birth chart.
Okay.
Some people are very angry all the time. Some people are very calm all the time. Some people are very jovial. Some people are extroverts. Some people are introvert. Some people are very fearful. Some people are very talkative. Some people don't open their mouth at all. Right? Some people are very cunning. Some people are very helpful. Right?
Okay.
But the brain is the same, right?
Yes.
Your brain and my brain is the same, right? Your brain has cortex, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, thalamus, hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary, and all that kind of
So
thing.
you say the function of the brains differs in each human being.
If you think that the brain is a human brain, why it is different from one another?
Yeah, why it is different?
That means your brain is connected to the nature, right? Connected to the universe.
Okay. So
What
is it
is-
like each one of us are connected in a different pattern and brain?
Yeah, what is good for you is bad for me, right?
Yeah.
What is bad for me is good for you.
Okay.
But the brain is the same.
Yes, it's so.
My brain or your brain is the same.
Yes.
Maybe if I am 50-year-old, my brain is 50-year-old. And if your brain is 40-year-old, it's 40-year-old. But the brain is the same.
So that's how we differ from each other, isn't it?
What?
That's how we differ from each other.
I don't know. You can see the fact there. If you think all the human brain is the same, why it varies in action, in thinking? Some people have lot of memory. Some people have no memory at all, right?
Yeah.
Some people are clever. Some people are dull. Some people are intelligent. Some people are buddhu. Like they are idiots.
So you say it all depends upon the planet's placement in each individual's birth chart.
Yeah. So you are handled, as I said, all your 100 trillion cells are handled by the nature. The command comes from outside for human cells to function, including your brain cells. So the brain is, functioning with respect to the cosmic wave manipulation, and then your behavioral pattern differs according to the cosmic wave received for you and for me. It becomes different in nature. The cosmic wave, what is required to you may not be required to me, and what is required in me may not be required in you. They are very versatile in nature, which divides the classification of personality characteristic traits in every human being. Like how our left hand thumb impression is not matching with one another for 800 crore people living at the moment on earth. The same wise, each brain with its behavior, the output of behavior by a human, for which if you say the brain is responsible, it is again unique. One person is not like another person. So we are all connected with nature. All our brain is connected with the universe. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, Doctor. That was very interesting. Thank you all for listening. Meet you all on another podcast.